Hey guys, it's Chris, and so I'm here. I'm changing the lights, the interior, I guess map lights for my 2016 Tacoma, and so I just thought I'd shoot a quick video to show you guys what I'm doing or how I'm doing it. So I've already done the first step, which is you just take this whole assembly off of the roof, off of the ceiling, right? And it's very easy. You just have to get up behind the roof liner, ceiling liner, and just pull this whole assembly out. It's gonna kind of feel like you're breaking it, but you're not. The truck is very tough, so you just rip that out of there easily, but you do have to put a little bit of force behind it, and it comes right out, and then it'll look just like this. All right, and when you get here, so better angle, there you go, it'll look like this. All right, so when you get here, you'll have two, I don't know what to call this, two little things. That's the best name I can think of for it. And this is actually where the bulb is located. And so I've already done this one right here. And now we're on this one. And took the bulb out. This is what the other side of that little piece right there looks like. So it goes in there just like that. And here's the other side. The bulbs are very difficult to get out. That's probably the hardest part of this whole thing. On that first bulb right there, it took me about, I guess about 10 minutes just trying to get the bulb out. It was very hard. I was using paper towels, everything. So the easiest way to get this out, I found, is to use tape. And probably something a little stickier than just regular Scotch tape. I had some electrical tape laying around. I put that around the bulb and then left just a little piece, not stuck to anything, on my finger. And so you wrap it around the bulb, and then I use that as some leverage to help me yank the bulb out because it's in there pretty tight. So yeah, I did that and it came out in like less than a minute. So that was very helpful. So I would definitely suggest using some tape to help you get the bulb out. So once you get the bulb out, then you're gonna take, so I've got these LED bulbs. This is actually the same size for the license plate light, because I was originally gonna put it in the license plate light socket to make those LED in the back, but decided to go ahead and put them up here first inside the cab. Anywho, so you take this and there we go. So it's in there now, and once you get in there, you're gonna wanna put it back into the socket, and it goes in there. You gotta line up the little tabs, and once you get in there, you twist it. All right, so now it's back like the other one. And you wanna test it out, because I did find out that they are polarity sensitive, so, whoop. I gotta reset my key. Hold on. Let me grab my key. All right, so the accessory timeout came on, so I gotta put the key. I cannot see. There we go. It's so hard looking through the camera. And now we can see both of them are working. Earlier I did have to flip this one around, but they are both working. All right, so you put it back in the side first. Get it all lined up, and then just give it a little push. Make sure everything's locked back in, and it is. Bam! And you guys saw some new LED lights as compared to this one. Got that old dingy yellowy color. That will be the next to be replaced. But yeah, I think that looks awesome. So much better than what it was before. That one's on. There we go. Perfect. Awesome. All right, guys. Thank you all for watching. If you got any questions or comments, leave them below, and I'll try and get back to as many as possible. Thank y'all for tuning in. All right. Peace.